this design, firstly you have to paint your nails white like this. Now we will start for thumb. I'm taking hot pink color at the back of my toothpick and then just creating big polka dots. Now I'm using the tip of my toothpick and creating small polka dots. For the other half of my thumb, I'm using light pink shade, and again I'm using the back of my toothpick to create bigger dots. And the tip of my toothpick to create the smaller ones. Now moving on to our index finger, I'm using that light pink shade again on one half and just creating the big dots by using the back. For the other half, I'm using orange shade. Similarly, paint rest of the nails by using any color of your choice. Now just add a top coat and voila, your design is ready. If you like my video, then make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.